Hello world, it's Friedrichsen, your friend and computer science professor with another short screencast about access error messages. And have you ever gotten the #name ? Error on a form? That means there's some expression that cannot be resolved. Let's go into design view and see what we have. Now, Access is really good at putting these little green error message indicators on text boxes that it knows contain an error. Let's go and look at what the error message might be, and it's saying there's no such field in the field list. And if I look at the field that this is bound to, it looks like it's just a typo. Product description does not look like it's spelled correctly. But let's open up the field list just to be sure. Product description. That's it. I'm missing the I in the word description. I'm also going to open up the property sheet for this text box. And there in the control source property, I can just click the drop down arrow and choose product description. That's a little faster than having to type it all out. Now, I've resolved one of my errors, but let's save and look at this form and form view again. And I still have a #name ? Error here above the subform. So let's get back into design view and look at that one. And again, I suspect it's just a typo. Product name should probably be product name. I'm not getting the green error indicator this time because this is expression where orders for text is concatenated to the non-zero value of product name and this product. So in this case, the field list really does help because now I can see the product name is with an E, and I can go in here and just manually fix this expression. Save and look at this in form view, and there we have it. I'll go back to design view, and this is interesting. What the NZ function does, it looks at this value, and if it's null, then we would have the text, this product. If there's a product name there, then it's just going to say orders for product name. And indeed, that's what we're seeing as we go through the different orders in the Northwind product database. Thank you.